Hello and welcome to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. In today's lesson we're going to do a cool blues solo that will play in the first position of the E minor blues scale. Okay? We're right here in the open E chord, and that scale you can find right there. I'll show you. Okay, so it's pretty simple. It's probably a lesson for beginners, but if you're an intermediate, that might be something for you too, because it's you're learning some cool licks that you can transpose into other keys as well. Okay, I'm going to show you licks over two sections of a 12-bar blues, and each lick is somewhat different, but you're going to hear that they have something in common. I'll play it and then I'm going to come back and break it down lick by lick. If you get something out of my lesson, please subscribe, hit the bell so you get notification when new lessons go up. Thank you so much. Let's break down the solo. I'm going to be mostly using my middle finger and my ring finger, but you can use your index and your middle finger, or however you want to play it. Okay, it's really entirely up to you. The other thing is you can improvise this if you want to do some hammer-ons and some vibratos, and then feel free to do that. Okay, this is not a strict solo to follow. You can make it your own in a sense. Okay, so the first part goes over the E bar. Okay, and here I'm going to play the whole section. So a vibrato right here. So the next part is over the A progression. And again, you can put a vibrato here. The next lick is when we're back into the E. And this is a precursor to go to the turnaround. The next lick is going to be over the B chord. The next lick is when the turnaround goes to A, and it goes like this. Here you can pick the notes, or you can do pull-offs. Pull-offs are a little faster. When we hit this note here, the E note is when the progression goes back to E. Okay, so we're back in E, finishing that first 12 bars. Okay, so we're now in the second 12th bar, and we're in the E chord. Okay, and this is all over the E chord. Next, second bar, second lick over the A chord. And again, when we hit this E note here on the second D string, we're back into the E chord. And then we hang on this little thing, that ring. Then we're going to get into the turnaround, and over the B chord, we play this. Then we go to the A chord. And then the last part of the turnaround. And then we start again. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I will see you soon.